Hello everyone, welcome to the Corigy factory. Behind me are the high-performance solar mounting brackets, proudly manufactured right here at our production base. Step inside our modern production workshop and you'll see our professional and dedicated team carefully processing a full range of premium solar accessories with precision and care. Every product is crafted under strict quality control to ensure stability, durability, and reliable performance. All of our components are made using carefully selected premium materials, and our latest generation of products is upgraded with advanced ZEM coating technology. This innovative surface treatment greatly enhances corrosion resistance, effectively withstands harsh outdoor environments, and significantly extends the service life of the entire mounting system. If you are interested in our professional solar mounting solutions, customized design services, or wholesale cooperation, please feel free to contact us anytime. We're ready to provide you with detailed information and professional support.